We are going to be creating the stipple pattern, so you're going to open a new file and make the file 500 pixels height and width. Once you've done this, now you're going to go and add a new layer, drag it down to that little box with a square in it. Then you're going to go to Edit and Fill, and then you're going to make it white and press OK. After this, you're going to go to the Filter tab, and then you're going to go to Filter Gallery, the second one, and then Texture at the bottom, and you're going to click on the grain and the grain type. The grain type is going to be stippled, and then intensity is going to be at 51 and contrast at 0, and then press OK. Now we are going to go up to Edit, and we're going to do Transform, Scale, and type in 200 for our width. We're going to right click on background copy and duplicate that layer. Press OK. After this, we're going to kind of repeat the process with that background copy layer too. Now we're going to go up to Edit and Fill and make it white again. Then you're going to go back to the filter gallery, do the grain, make the intensity higher to 61, and keep the others the same, and realize how the stipple pattern is darker this time. Now we're going to do the same thing, go to Edit and Transform, Scale, and make sure that is at 200. We're going to go back down to Copy 2, Background Copy 2, double click, duplicate the layer. After this, we're going to do Edit, Cop, and Fill, and put in white. Then we're going to keep going, do the Edit Filter Gallery. We're going to go up to 71 this time, press OK. Then we're going to go back to Transform, Scale, do 200. And we're going to repeat this until our intensity reaches 100%. So we have filled and we've made it white. Then we're going to go to the filter gallery and we are going to increase it to 100. And then we're going to press OK. Make sure you do your scale and 200. Since our intensity is at 100, we're going to click on Copy 6 and we're going to press CMD plus J on our shortcut, and we're going to press it 4 times, and that is going to go up to Copy 10. We should be selected on Copy 10. Now we're going to Shift and go and press Background Copy so all are selected. Then we're pressing on the drop-down menu and do Multiply, and that should multiply all of them. With all these, I'm going to go to Copy 10, and I'm going to go to that, and I'm going to move around these stipple patterns a little bit just to mix them up. So then I'm going to press the I button off after every time I select and do that. So with this one, I'm going to move it, and then I'm going to click the I. I'm going to go down to 7. I'm going to move it, and then I'm going to click the I so it turns off. And realize how they're getting lighter and lighter every time I do that. Then we're going to go to Background Copy and go to Edit and Define Pattern. Then we're going to type in stipple-1. And we're going to copy stipple so we're not typing it in every single time. We're going to press OK. Then we're going to turn that one back on, and then so we can see the pattern, and then do Define Pattern, and we're going to do it for all of them. So number 2, then turn it back on. We're going to do it until all 10 of them. After your 10th stipple, you're going to go to File, and you're going to Save As, and make sure they save into your files before doing so. And thank you for watching.